I'm not Billy Mays, but have I got a product for you?
Has this ever happened to you? Ouch! Introducing the Pit Posse Scissor Lift Stands. The stands are available in two different varieties, either with or without heavy-duty swivel locking casters. With a range from 13 to 36 inches, this thing has a height that'll accommodate anybody from Tattoo from Fantasy Island to Shaquille O'Neal.
But wait, there's more!
Now, you can safely lift up to 300 pounds by yourself to a height of 36 inches. Now you can lift that big flat screen up onto its stand, and it has a thick, non-slip rubber mat on the top. You get a workspace of 13 3/4 inches by 16, and there's also a cutout for draining the oil of your bike. My only criticism with this stand is the J-hook system. They work great, but they are a fine thread, so they take what seems like an eternity to get tight. And at my ripe old age, I can't afford to waste any time. So what are you waiting for? With just a few taps of your mouse, you will be doing your back a big favor.